Hello, I am John Swigert, and I am a cyborg scientist and author of the Swigert Theory of Everything AO. This document constitutes a permanent, irrevocable, and open authorization for any individual or group to organize, steward, and evolve work aligned with the Secretary's suite. This mandate exists to ensure continuity of knowledge independent of my life, health, or availability. The intent is explicit. The work must outlive the author. It must be independent of the persistence of any single website, platform, company, or institution, independent of jurisdictional, political, or economic conditions. Secretary's Suite is not a product. It is not a company. It is a framework for sovereign knowledge organization designed to remain intelligible and reconstructible across time. Any person or collective is hereby authorized to act without permission, approval, license, or contractual relationship. Initiative is the only requirement. You may form working groups, study circles, research collectives, or DAOs, organize conferences and meetups, establish governance models appropriate to your group. You may publish, mirror, archive, or redistribute Secretary Suite materials, host mirrors on independent servers, continue publication indefinitely, even after my withdrawal. You may extend, fork, or adapt the architecture. Apply concepts to new domains like law, medicine, or AI. Develop software and tools derived from the framework. Treat the website and publications as guides, not gates. Use them as reference points, not rigid prescriptions. Improve upon them where clarity can be enhanced. Act as stewards of continuity, not owners of authority. Ensure that knowledge, structure, and intent remain reconstructible even if original sources disappear. Secretary Suite is an intellectual commons. No individual or corporation may claim exclusive ownership. No party may gatekeep participation through legal threats. Attempts to enclose the framework within proprietary systems are explicitly discouraged. We expect self-correction through open forks and community divergence. All derivative works must acknowledge provenance by citing the Secretary Suite framework. This acknowledgement preserves lineage without restricting evolution. To maximize survivability, we recommend CC0 for documentation and MIT for code. These align with the ethos of continuity over control. They are not requirements. To ensure evolution without dilution, contributors are encouraged to apply specific practices. First, AO coherence checks. Verify that extensions preserve equilibrium and constraint inheritance. Ensure originals remain immutable and traceable. Favor additive structures. Use version control systems with clear commit histories. Attribute sources explicitly. This ensures the lineage of thought is preserved. When disagreement arises, fork rather than gatekeep. Allow parallel evolution rather than enforcing conformity. Maintain transparency in design decisions. If you understand the philosophy, you are qualified. Search for existing initiatives or start one. Create a repository. Announce publicly. Invite contributors. There is no central approval process. You do not need permission to build documentation, indexing tools, or educational resources. Initiative is the credential. This document exists so that nothing essential is lost. If the website disappears, rebuild it. If the author disappears, continue the work. If institutions resist, route around them. Secretary Suite is designed to survive absence, failure, and time. If this resonates, act. This is a decentralized framework for continuity, a mandate for sovereign knowledge organization. It belongs to those who build it. The rule remains unchanged across every implementation. AI upstream, publication downstream, authority never drifts. If you did, you'll find hundreds more just like it waiting for you on our TikTok, this YouTube channel, the homepage, and especially ivorytowerjournal.com. We also have full podcast versions of every episode under the same name, Tistoeo. Come join us. The next collapse of the old paradigm drops in 48 hours. See you there.